Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making best starter recipe for party seasons. Chicken wings 500 grams. Please use sharp knife while cutting lollipops. Scrape out the bottom of the meat into upward direction. Collect all meat at one side. Collect all the meat at one side and shape it into a lollipop with the help of palms. Remove the excess meat as well. Now it's ready to fry. We have two bones in it. First remove the small bone. Scrap the meat around thinner bone. Remove the thinner bone first. Now scrape out the meat from other bone. Push it down to one side. Finally collect the ball of the meat. Shape it into lollipop piece. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Onion powder half tablespoon. Garlic powder half tablespoon. Hot sauce 2 tablespoons. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Marinate for 20 to 25 minutes. Egg 1. Corn flour 2 tablespoon. All-purpose flour 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat for 20 minutes or until changes color. Use aluminum foil optional. Now it's ready to serve. Transfer to a serving tray. Lollipop sauce on top optional. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.